Hi, in this video we're going to see how to create a parallel line to another line using only our triangles. And this works for any angle. Now we know with our t-square that I can make horizontal lines, and all I have to do is move my t-square up, make another line, it is horizontal. Or I could take a triangle, put it on my t-square, make a vertical line, make another line. Now I'm parallel. Or I could do a 45, again using my t-square and my triangle. I can make a 45-degree line and make another 45-degree line parallel. But what if that line doesn't fit a 45 or a 30, 60, 90 like our other triangle, so it doesn't fit this triangle either? How do we do it? So any given angle, if I just draw a line up here, there it is. And I want to make a parallel line to that. In our instructions, it tells us to take our triangles and place them hypotenuse to hypotenuse. So for math class, we know that the hypotenuse is the big side, and I remember that because when I was in 4th grade, Mrs. Moore had a picture of a triangle just like this one above her chalkboard, and there was a hippopotamus standing on this line. So I call the hypotenuse the hippopotamus line, or the long side of my triangle, because it's a big animal. So if I take my triangles and I place them hypotenuse to hypotenuse, which remember is the opposite the 90s, now I take my triangles and keep them together, and I line one of the edges up with this line. So I'm just going to come down here and make sure that's lined up. So as you can see, I'm lined up perfect. All I have to do now is hold this triangle really still. So this triangle gets held really still hypotenuse to hypotenuse. And if I just slide this up, now I'm parallel. And I could do that again, and again, and again. And all those lines will be parallel. So to quickly review, I have a line. I take my triangles, I put them big side to big side, hippopotamus to hippopotamus, or hypotenuse to hypotenuse. I line up one edge. It could have been this edge if I wanted to. So I could do it this way. I hold this triangle really still, the triangle that's not lined up with my given line. I hold it really still, and I just keep sliding this triangle back and forth, and see, it makes a parallel line. And I can do that again, and again, and again, and again. See? So I lined it up a second time to get the same answer. So that's how you make parallel lines to a given line using only triangles. As always, if you have difficulty, please contact me. I'm more than glad to help.